both of you guys. I want to get both your opinions. It's easy to critique you guys, but you guys, it's better as fighters to critique other fighters. There's two fighters in general that I'm curious about. I want to know who you think has the capability of beating these two fighters. We haven't heard a lot about Jon Jones recently since his fight against Shogun, but I was there live, and he made Shogun look really bad, and he just demolished him. And Shogun is a really, really good fighter. Who do you think can have the skill to beat Jon Jones in his reach?
Honestly, I think that the only person at this point in time that can beat Jon Jones is himself. He's a young guy. The world is coming at him fast, and I think his game is going to be whether or not he can maintain focus. I remember the first time that I met Jon in person. I was down in Miami doing some Super Bowl promotions for the UFC, and there were a group of fighters. They were standing in a group, and I was walking up to the group, and Jon's back was to me. And as I walked up to him, I was looking at him, and I thought, who is this heavyweight? And I kept walking around, and I was like, oh my word, he's enormous. And to kind of put things in perspective, like, he has an 84-inch reach. Tim Sylvia, who is 4 inches taller than him, has an 80-inch reach. And so and I've sparred with Tim many times, and to deal with that kind of reach, it's insane. So I think that if he can keep his head straight, he'll be able to run that division for a while.